Hey guys, welcome back to My Kitchen. Yes, I know it's been a while, but today I'll be doing lasagna, doing it from scratch. The first time doing it, so please stay tuned. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified.
In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, welcome.
Okay guys, so these are the main ingredients you may need, and if you want the precise measurement, please to check the description box down below. Now this is the cheese I'm using. This is the cream cheese, and I'm going to use the cheddar jack cheese, and you can use any other cheese you want once it have the same type of texture and consistency due to your taste. And I'm going to also use all of these ingredients, which include garlic, onion, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, and tomato. So if you want to get the precise measurements of all of these ingredients, please check the description box down below, because sometimes you're going to see me use some stuff and I don't measure it. You know, I'm Jamaican and we do stuff based on our ancestors. Now when our ancestors say don't use no more salt, we don't use no more salt. So first I'm going to put half stick of butter into the pot to allow that to melt. After I do that, I'm just going to add the garlic to the butter, and then I'm going to use an Irish crusher to crush the garlic so that the flavor can, escape the garlic and combine with the butter, so that when I put the beef in there, it can absorb all that flavor. So I used 2 packs of beef that I've bought from the store. I'm going to go ahead and season this beef so that it can get flavor, obviously. So I'm going to use onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, salt, and black pepper. After that, I'm going to cover it up for about 15 minutes so that it can cook. After doing that, I'm going to add my other seasonings such as onion, green pepper, scallion, tomato, and you can add, and also scotch bonnet pepper because I want that spice in it, but you can add any other seasoning you may like. It's just to season it to your taste. After combining all of this, I'm going to get my tomato sauce. You can use any type of tomato sauce you want. I actually use 2. And you can also add tomato paste to it, but I didn't. I just used the tomato sauce alone and allow that to simmer down and cook. And this one have a little chili in it. So guys, you can do it to your tasting. You can use any other tomato sauce, the one for your liking. I also went ahead and add parsley and some more all-purpose seasoning. I'm just going to leave that and let it cook for a while I start on the pasta, the lasagna pasta. So I have a pot of boiling water. I had some salt to it and some oil so that the pasta don't stick. Alright, so guys, the oil is very important if you don't want your pasta to stick. I'm just going to place them in here like this and allow them to cook. While it cooks, it will go down into the pot. So I use 1 pack of lasagna. I'm now going to work on the cheese sauce. So I'm going to use 3/4 of this cream cheese. I didn't use the traditional cheese, as you can see. And then I'm going to get some mozzarella and cheddar cheese mix in here. Please don't use all of it because you're going to need some for the topping. And I'm also going to crack 2 eggs in this. Combine it and add some parsley inside of it also. and it turns out really good. I really like the consistency and how it look. So as you can see, the beef is actually almost through. Yeah. So just waiting on the pasta now to cook, and then we can go and plate. So as you can see, I add a little bit more seasoning just for the final touch because I tasted and I realized I wanted a little bit more. So guys, as you cook, you taste and see, taste the flavor of everything. I add a little bit of sugar to it just to give it a nice sweet flavor. Yeah, and that's about it, guys. Leave it there to simmer down for a while we wait on the pasta. So I use a long baking dish for this. You can use a smaller one. I think a smaller one would be better. You cut the lasagna in half. It's just you, but if you're doing it for a family, this is the perfect size. And what you're going to do, you're going to lay the meat down first so that the bottom can have that coat on it. After which, you're going to lay the lasagna. And I started using 3, but then as I go along, I realized I could use 4 because I had enough. I even have leftovers because I didn't have enough meat. And then I'm going to go ahead and put another round of beef on top of the lasagna. Use my cheese spread and put it all over it. Don't mind that it's not getting everywhere because when it goes into the oven, it's going to melt and go everywhere. Now we'll just repeat that process until we're finished. So we're going to use the remaining of the cheese and sprinkle at the top of the lasagna and put it in the oven so that it can bake. After it being baking for about 15 to 20 minutes, the lasagna is ready, and look at that. Look at all those bubbles at the side. Look at that juiciness. Oh my god, look at that, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and plate that for you.
Don't want to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a
Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you love it, please consider to subscribe and on your post notifications so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Guys, I enjoyed this to the max, so you should give it a try. As I said, it was my first time doing it. It's my second try having it, and I think it was a success. So see you next time. Bye.